In this video, we're gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on POCO F7. For comparison, I also made a speed test on my computer in order to check what is the difference between the network on the phone and my PC. So in the case of my PC, the download speed was 937 megabits per second, whereas on this phone, while using the same Wi-Fi, as you can see, the download speed is 234, so much less than it is supposed to be. We are using Wi-Fi 6, by the way. Now, in the case of upload on the phone is 71 megabits per second, whereas on my PC I managed to get 86 megabits per second, which is, in the case of the phone, is still slightly lower. It is quite slower compared to PC. However, it's still not that bad compared to, for example, the difference in the download. So this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.